Emily was the kind of person who made everyone around her feel lazy. By 28, she'd mastered 5 languages, played 3 instruments, launched a podcast, freelanced as a graphic designer, and dabbled in coding. Her Instagram was a highlight reel of her latest obsessions: pottery classes, marathon training, vegan baking. But one night, after a glass of wine too many, she confessed to a friend, "I feel like a fraud. I'm good at everything, but great at nothing." Emily's story isn't unique. In a world that glorifies hustle culture and celebrates polymaths like Elon Musk and Marie Curie, we're told that acquiring skills is the key to success. But what happens when curiosity becomes a cage? When the quest to do it all leaves you scattered, unfulfilled, and ironically left behind? This is the curse of too many skills. The curse isn't about having talents, it's about drowning in them. Like a chef who hoards ingredients but never cooks a meal, polymaths often struggle to channel their abilities into meaningful outcomes. The problem isn't capability, it's focus. Let's start with a trip to Renaissance Italy, the era that coined the term Renaissance man and accidentally created the original victims of this curse. Leonardo da Vinci is the ultimate poster child for versatility. Painter, inventor, anatomist, engineer, his notebooks overflowed with helicopter blueprints, grotesque caricatures, and recipes for hair dye. But here's the twist. Da Vinci finished fewer than 20 paintings in his lifetime. The Mona Lisa took 16 years, and many commissions were abandoned mid-project. Why? His biographer Walter Isaacson explains, Leonardo's curiosity was both his superpower and his kryptonite. He'd start dissecting corpses to improve his art, then fall down a rabbit hole of anatomy, forgetting the painting altogether. He once wrote, "I have been impeded neither by avarice nor negligence, but by time alone." Da Vinci's struggle mirrors today's TikTok brain, the endless scroll of hobbies, courses, and side gigs. But in a world of finite time, breadth often comes at the cost of depth. As entrepreneur Emily Wapnick observes, when you're interested in everything, you can't decide what to do. So, you do nothing. Platforms like LinkedIn glorify multi-hyphenate careers, while apps like Skillshare and Masterclass turn learning into a game. But without focus, skills become clutter. A 2022 Stanford study found that multitaskers, even those juggling productive tasks, performed 40% worse on cognitive tests than their focused peers. Economists call this opportunity cost, the price of what you give up to pursue a skill. But polymaths face something worse: opportunity debt. Every hour spent learning Python to future-proof your career is an hour not spent mastering your core craft. Over time, this debt compounds, leaving you spread thin and underpaid. Why do we keep chasing skills, even when it backfires? Blame biology and Instagram. 1. Evolutionary FOMO. Our ancestors survived by adapting, foraging, building, fighting. Today that instinct manifests as skill hoarding. The myth of the perfect resume. Job postings demanding coding plus design plus marketing plus data analysis make us panic. What if we're not enough? 3. Dopamine-driven learning. Apps like Duolingo gamify skill building. We get addicted to the rush of leveling up, even if the skill is useless. Psychologist Barry Schwartz calls this the paradox of choice. Too many options create anxiety, not empowerment. For polymaths, this morphs into analysis paralysis. You're so busy weighing options that you never choose. The solution isn't to abandon curiosity, it's to channel it. Here's how. 1. Become T-shaped, not spiky. Innovation guru Tim Brown popularized the T-shaped model: deep expertise in one area, the vertical bar, plus broad knowledge across others, the horizontal bar. For example, a marketer who's expert in SEO, vertical, but understands basics of design and analytics, horizontal. A musician who masters guitar, vertical, but dabbles in production and songwriting, horizontal. This balances focus with flexibility. Number 2, set skill quotas. Author Greg McKeown advises, if you don't prioritize your life, someone else will. Apply this to skills. Core skill. Spend 70% of your time here. This is your moneymaker, passion. Secondary skills, 20% time. Complementary areas. Wildcard, 10% time. Fun, no pressure hobbies. Reassess every 6 months. 3. Embrace strategic abandonment. Warren Buffett's 5-25 rule applies here. List 25 skills, jot goals. Circle the top 5. Avoid the rest at all costs. They're distractions. It's brutal, but effective. Reframe wasted time. Not every skill needs a ROI. Baking sourdough during the pandemic didn't advance anyone's career, but it brought joy. Give yourself permission to learn just for fun. The curse of too many skills isn't about ability, it's about attachment. Letting go of the need to do it all isn't failure, it's liberation. As writer Elizabeth Gilbert once mused, you don't need to be a martyr to your talent, just pick a lane and drive. So, what's your lane?